I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Now select Amelia as a trigger. Copy the webhook URL and fetch. Go to Amelia Dashboard. And go to the setting. View Integrations setting. Webhook. Add new webhook. Give here a meaningful name. And paste the webhook URL. Choose here your desired type. I am choosing the appointment type. Also, choose here your desired action. I am choosing booking status changed. Save. Save. To fetch data, go to Appointment and change the status of the appointment from approved to pending. Go to the Integrations Dashboard. Data fetched successfully. Set action. Now search for Action SendGrid. Give a name. For API key, please click on SendGrid API token. Click on Create API token. Give a name. Now click on Create and View. Copy API key. Paste it in authorization page. Now click on Authorize. Authorized successfully done. Now click on Next. Now map the fields. Here you can see Advance Action. You can use it as per your requirement. Click on Next. Integrations successfully done. Now please click on Finish and Save. Now go to Amelia Appointment Dashboard and change the status from pending to approved. Now go to SendGrid Dashboard and click on Marketing. Then click on Contacts. Click on All Contacts. You can see record is created in SendGrid. This way you can create integrations. Thanks for watching.